What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,011, so relatively the same compared to yesterday's price. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is sort of trading in this consolidated, like, narrow trading pattern. It's been trading in this particular form on the 1 hour chart for the past couple of days, to be exact. In my opinion, I do believe we continue to trade in this pattern for the foreseeable future. This pattern usually indicates that Bitcoin is trading sideways, so a very kind of like predictable path or predictable price points. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 4 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 4 touch points as well. As seen, drawn with the green marker within the channel, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. These are all just different things that could happen or take place that could reflect the future potential of Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's price is not set in stone. It's highly volatile. The crypto market in general is highly volatile, so always just proceed with caution when buying these assets. As you can see on the top trend line, we could break that top trend line as indicated with the orange arrow. We could break that bottom trend line as indicated with the bottom orange arrow. Again, it just depends on economics, but let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart setup. I do want to show you guys a 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $62,999, so roughly the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see on the chart, on the 4 hour chart to be exact, Bitcoin is trading in this ascending like channel pattern. This particular pattern usually indicates a more bullish perspective or outlook in the near term on the 4 hour chart. But again, patterns in the chart system aren't a clear indicator of the price on what it can do next. It's just a great tool and indicator to tell us a predictable outcome on what the price can do next, not an absolute. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 4 touch points. As seen, drawn with the green marker, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. Again, it may not go exactly like that. The candlesticks move in their own direction. That is just my prediction on what the price can potentially do next. As seen with the top orange arrow, that is just my indication or indicator that we could break that top trend line theoretically and move upward in price. We could also break that bottom trend line and dip even further. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, things of that nature. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you use any other tools, any other indicators, any other systems to conduct your technical analysis? Just let me know. And I also want to tell you guys as well, just be very cautious when you're buying Bitcoin, crypto, and any other asset or currency. There's a lot of risk associated in the financial world and the financial markets, including Bitcoin and crypto. So always proceed with caution. Take everything what you hear with a grain of salt, including the information I give you. But please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.